What was that, boss?
What kind of camera is that?
Sony C7.
C7?
Oh, 7C, I'm sorry.
7C.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get into photography, man. So
Oh, okay. Yeah. No. So this one doesn't have adjustable, but it comes with.
That came with that?
No. I bought the 7. This is $300 by itself. The camera itself is $2,000-ish, but it comes with a. It's not the best lens in the world, but you can start off with that because I do photography too.
Okay.
So yeah, it's like a 30 to 70 millimeter.
Okay.
So yeah, it's
so
like
a friend of mine was telling me like the A6000 is a good one to start out with.
A6000. That's like the older ones, but the A7s and up, those are the newer ones.
Yeah, I'm just getting started.
Yeah, I mean, you could really, if you just getting started, you can start with any camera. Like you don't really need an expensive camera. It's really, if you're getting into photography, you can really make it, clean it up with like editing. Not even filters, just if you get Photoshop or Lightroom, it can make it a whole lot better because it's all, you just gotta watch a couple of videos. That's what I did.
Okay.
Just watch a bunch of videos and you'll be fine.
I appreciate it, man.
No
Thank you, man.
All right, welcome back. Oh, I gotta pause my music if I start talking. Oh, I'm not in front of the light. What's up? Tweaking today. All right, y'all, what's up?
Hair done, check. Yeah, I mean, you see the part, and you see the hair. You see it? Come on now, fuck with your boy. You dig? Yeah, I see it. You see it. You see it.
Scalping right now, and I bet at the end of this workout, all that shit gonna be moist as fuck because I'm gonna sweat my ass off. But today is arms. We haven't done arms in a while. So today we are going to kill every fucking thing. From forearms to biceps to triceps. I might even hit a little bit of shoulders because I know I'm getting an MRI soon, so I need this to act as fucked up as it can so they don't think I'm bullshitting. Because I've been staying away from arms, so I'm probably gonna hit a little bit of shoulders. If I don't hit shoulders today, then I'll hit shoulders tomorrow. But that's the plan. Today, little recap, woke up, took the dogs out, came back, went to my doctor's appointment. Guess what? They shot me with some steroids today for my hand, because I told y'all, the boy been a little, and apparently I have trigger finger and my thumb is still fucked up, so they just diagnosed me with trigger finger today, but Ben knew my thumb was fucked up, just for y'all that's new here, whatever. So that, I don't know if those injections or steroids or whatever they put in me is going to work. First day on, I'm still gonna work out, don't give a fuck. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, but this part is sick. I haven't even looked at myself in the mirror. I got this done yesterday, evening time, and after that was just homework, edit. Because I gotta edit all my videos for the week ahead on the weekend, so yeah, that's how that went. I don't know, I'm fucking with it. Today is a good day. Oh, for the people that's been here since like day one, do you guys remember that job like last year, August, that I signed the fucking sent letter, offer letter, all the extra stuff. Yeah, they hit me up today. Guess who got a job? See, the thing is, I only want to get too lit because they hit me up, said I got the job, project starting. They don't know when it's starting. They don't know if it's gonna start off like they said it was still gonna start off on site and then become hybrid and then remote. I don't know if they're still gonna do that, so they're still figuring that shit out, but they said I have the job. They asked if I had like kept searching. I was like, nah, I'm good. I make enough money on myself, whatever. So I was like, yeah, okay, cool. So congratulations, yeah. I was like, okay, cool. All I need is to know the softwares we're using and time and if it's online or in person. Did that, and now we gonna see. We got the job, we don't, whatever. It is what it is. We'll find out soon though. Oh, but yeah, let's get this day started. We got these bad boys today. I feel like it's really easy to target my arms, so it ain't really nothing to do. We'll just get it in and get it out. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm gonna catch y'all in the gym. I'm not doing no cycling today. I already did a lot of walking around. Like, we're gonna talk about it soon. Just stay tuned. All right, so per usual, we start off with a dead hang until we feel stretched enough. Y'all only gonna see like 2 seconds of this anyway, but it still has to happen. Well, that's the same song playing twice. Especially my shoulders. Okay, that should be enough. God damn, why y'all always bothering me? Fuck y'all. All right, let's see if this works. Ow, ow. Fuck. Damn, first workout of the day. Arms. Definitely gonna go light just to see what. Oh, this is triceps. Ew. Pause on music. We tried doing the same thing, but for triceps. I don't really like that feeling. So if you don't like it, I don't do it. Well, if I don't like it, I don't do it. What the fuck is curling 125? This gym is full of psychos. Let's see. Wish me luck. I'm gonna start chopping it up with y'all after this first set. You know, I gotta get something in before my blabbermouth start. You know what I mean? Probably should slow it down, huh? Now I'm gonna time myself out first. And then I'm gonna start the real workout. Get tired, nigga. There we go. There's the burn. Okay, first set, completion. So back to what I was talking about. Today's been crazy. Woke up, hospital. I need an MRI and an E something, a nerve test, whatever that is. So I need an MRI for my hand again. Well, I only had an X-ray done the first time. And apparently there are pieces of bone just hanging around in my, like the area of my thumb. So that's probably where most of my pain is coming from. And apparently my shit was fractured. Nobody told me that when I was overseas. But yeah, I just found out my shit was fractured. And now that it's healed, there are pieces of bone just hanging around in the area that I'm probably gonna need surgery. Well, I'm definitely gonna need surgery to move it out. But before we did that, she offered the injections, steroids, whatever the fuck you wanna call them. So I got poked twice in my palm. I didn't know that was a thing, you could poke people in your palms, but I got poked twice in my palm today. Pain level, I feel like it was just weird because I was screaming like a girl, but it's like the shit was just, it felt weird because I wouldn't even expect you to be able to get poked in your palm. It just don't sound right. I feel like I was gonna have to go through like the skin part, but yeah, poked me through the palm, was screaming like a girl. She tried to distract me, that shit ain't work. I was in that hoe just cursing, but got it over with, bled a little bit, and then I can't really tell if it feels better because I haven't really typed all day and shit, so we'll see if it does feel better. I'll keep y'all updated. But apart from that, came back home, talked to my realtor about some numbers and shit, and then took the dogs for a run, and now we at the gym, so let's get into it. First set was definitely stiff for sure, but it's the first out of like a million, to be honest, because I have to have the craziest pump today. It's Monday, bro, come on. Oh, wow. There we go. Oh, it keeps blurring out, that's why. Oh, God. Yes, I get it. Fuck. Okay, that was bad. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it was bad. So we're definitely hitting buys right now. So we still have to hit forearms, then we gotta do tries, and then shoulders. So I'll probably do 2 more sets here, 2 really good sets, and then like my shit just easily bumps up. That's why I don't hit arms as much, but I need 2 more sets, and then probably find something else to do. Come on, bro. I'm about to mute this nigga. Fucking enjoy my workout. Niggas keep calling me. All right, second, third set. I should probably go up and weight. I'm too strong to be doing 80 pounds. I'll do 95. Fuck. All right, so third set completion. I wonder if, yeah, that would have helped. Ooh, I should probably use some cables today. That'd probably go crazy. I'm trying to really focus on time and attention. Oh my God. Yep, definitely a good set. Let me see if I have some cables open, cause that's what, cable. There's one open. Let's go take it before somebody else does. Let's see, what do I want to do first? Probably triceps since we already did buys. And then I can, hold on. What was that, boss? Sony C7?
C7.
Oh, 7C, I'm sorry.
7C.
Yeah.
Got adjustable. I'm trying to get into photography, man. So
Oh, okay, yeah.
So Is it like adjustable?
No. So this one doesn't have adjustable, but it comes with.
That came with that?
No. I bought this. This is $300 by itself. The camera itself is $2,000-ish, but it comes with a. It's not the best lens in the world, but you can start off with that because I do photography too.
Okay.
So yeah, it's like a 30 to 70 millimeter.
Okay.
So yeah, it's
So
like
a friend of mine was telling me like the A6000 is a good one to start out with.
A6000. That's like the older ones, but the A7s and up, yeah, those are the newer ones.
Yeah,
so.
I'm just getting started.
Yeah, I mean, you could really, if you're just getting started, you can start with any camera. Like you don't really need an expensive camera. It's really, if you're getting into photography, you can really make it, clean it up with like editing. Not even filters, just if you get Photoshop or Lightroom, it can make it a whole lot better because it's all, you just gotta watch a couple of videos. That's what I did.
Okay.
Just watch a bunch of videos and you'll be fine.
I appreciate it, man.
No
Thank
problem.
you, man.
All right, have a good one. But yeah, we gotta do triceps, so I need something to pull down. Where is that? I gotta go to like, I hit that for. It's not, go to 50. It's a little like something. Oh shit, almost forgot I also wanted to do, so I'm gonna just crunch, sit up, kick rocks. I feel like that's heavy enough, but yeah, it definitely is, but I'll try something different. It's my hand. Y'all remember here, it's something we frequently, but motions, it's 1, 2, and then I forgot, but while I'm doing it, then, oh yeah, it's kind of heavy. Smoking crack. Nope, still too heavy. So 10 pounds, these. That kind of hurt. Oh wow, okay. Oh, and that's the second one. Is this. Yep, 10 is definitely too heavy. My left hand. Oh. Oh God. So, 10 sides, 6 in total. Go back to this shit. I'm gonna do 57. Probably. Fucking A. Cause that's kind of heavy. Set already. It's kind of going about fast. Probably should take a break. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break, and then I'm gonna do biceps, little curls, but with this shit. In front of the mirror, so I can feel real. I might do a little bit of cardio before I start doing my warm it up or whatever. Arms is not the workout, so it's like anything less than perfection. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't expecting nothing less anyway. Let me just kill. Take long at all. Get a quick knot once to feel my, I want to feel it too much. I want to go today, that's the plan. So I'm gonna do, then we gotta go Five, this is the sixth time doing it again. Hey, hey.
Now that 5 feel light.
I got pumps.
A while before I get tired.
Okay. Why did I go back?
Yeah, back to 10.
Oh, God.
God damn it.
I don't know why I'm doing more than 10 to kill myself. Oh, it's not 10.
Everybody the rules.
Going to 65. Oh, God. Wow. Yep, it's a workout. If I can't do it, I'll return it.
Oh no, did I say 4%?
Ah, that's crazy. Okay, 4%. Well, in case y'all don't see the rest of this video, we're going to spam triceps or forearms, and then I'm gonna go and then do some abs and then kick rocks. So just in case I don't see y'all by the end of this fucking workout, hasta luego. Stay motivated. Adios. It's also looking like I'm not gonna be able to do shoulders today, so probably save that for tomorrow.
Oh no.
Like these horns right here, and then the other one is to target like the inner forearm. Fuck me. Allergies is, who cares? Life is like, oh God. Fucking A, bro. Back at it. Leaving once this camera. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I might have to carry it.